Imagine if the way you spend just the last hour of your day could quietly influence how your body ages over time. Tonight, we're exploring 5 simple nighttime habits that support how your body naturally repairs, restores, and resets itself while you sleep. Aging is a natural process, but your body is constantly working behind the scenes to maintain balance, repairing cells, regulating hormones, and clearing out waste. The habits we're about to explore aren't magic tricks, but they align with how your body is already designed to function at its best. At night, your body enters a state of restoration. Your brain shifts into different sleep stages, your muscles relax, and your cells begin repair processes. One key system that becomes active is your body's internal cleanup system, helping clear waste from the brain. Think of it like a nightly reset, like cleaning up a busy workspace so it's ready for the next day. Supporting this process doesn't require drastic changes, just consistent habits that help your body do what it's already designed to do. Habit number 1 is maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. This clock influences hormone release, body temperature, and even how your cells function. When your sleep schedule is irregular, it's like constantly resetting a clock that never quite syncs. But when it's consistent, your body can anticipate rest and optimize its nightly processes. Your circadian rhythm is closely tied to light and darkness. As night falls, your body begins releasing melatonin, a hormone that signals it's time to rest. This shift doesn't just make you sleepy, it helps coordinate many internal processes. A consistent sleep schedule strengthens this rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and allowing your body to move smoothly through its sleep cycles. Habit number 2 is reducing exposure to bright screens before bed. Devices like phones and tablets emit blue light, which can signal to your brain that it's still daytime. This can delay the release of melatonin and make it harder for your body to shift into rest mode. It's like trying to fall asleep with the lights still on, it confuses your internal clock. When you reduce screen exposure before bed, you allow your brain to follow its natural nighttime signals. Even dim lighting can help your body prepare for sleep. This doesn't mean eliminating technology entirely, it simply means giving your body a clearer signal that the day is winding down. Habit number 3 is creating a cool, comfortable sleep environment. Your body naturally lowers its core temperature at night as part of the sleep process. A slightly cooler room supports this shift, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. It's about working with your body rather than against it. Temperature plays a subtle but important role in sleep quality. When your environment matches your body's natural cooling process, your sleep cycles tend to flow more smoothly. This allows your body to spend enough time in deeper stages of sleep, where much of the restoration work happens. Habit number 4 is gentle nighttime relaxation. Activities like reading, stretching, or quiet reflection can signal to your body that it's time to slow down. These calming actions reduce stimulation and help your nervous system transition from an active state to a restful one. Your nervous system has 2 main modes, active and restful. During the day, it's often in go mode, helping you stay alert and responsive. At night, it needs to shift into rest mode, where recovery and maintenance take priority. Gentle habits help guide this transition naturally. Habit number 5 is avoiding heavy meals right before bed. Your digestive system works actively to process food, and eating large meals late at night can keep your body engaged when it's trying to wind down. It's like asking your body to multitask when it's supposed to be resting. When your body isn't focused on digestion, it can allocate more energy to other nighttime processes like cellular repair and internal regulation. This doesn't mean avoiding food entirely, it just means giving your body time to settle before sleep. All 5 of these habits share one common idea: alignment. They work because they align your behavior with your body's natural rhythms. Your body already knows how to maintain balance, it just needs the right conditions to do so efficiently. It's important to remember that these habits aren't about perfection. Even small, consistent adjustments can support your body over time. Think of them as signals you send each night, signals that tell your body it's safe to rest, reset, and prepare for the next day. Over time, these nightly patterns can shape how your body functions by supporting its natural processes. Aging continues as part of life, but your body is always working to maintain balance along the way. The goal isn't to stop time, it's to support your body as it moves through it. So tonight, as you prepare for sleep, consider the small choices you make. Dimming the lights, setting a consistent bedtime, and creating a calm environment are simple steps, but they work with your biology in powerful ways. Your body does its most important behind-the-scenes work when you're asleep. By supporting these natural processes, you're giving it the opportunity to function smoothly night after night. And often, it's the quiet, consistent habits that make the biggest difference over time. Please like, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching.